Hello, welcome. This is JAMB here. 2016 government pass question. Question number 49 says Nigeria membership of the UN complement our foreign policies in the area of dash. UN stands for United Nations. So foreign policy complement what? A. Bilateral diplomacy, and it means two states involved. B. Regional diplomacy, that is regions are involved. Then sub-regional diplomacy and multilateral diplomacy. Now multilateral diplomacy means many states are involved. So option D is correct. Thank you, and make sure you subscribe for more videos.